Hello everyone, I'm Allison Shaw. Thank you for watching this video. If you watch it till the end, I'll show you how to get a free introductory video course. This isn't just another meditation course. It's a course developed by Giovanni Dienstmann, who is one of the top meditation coaches worldwide. So watch till the end and get access to this worldwide accredited video course. In a city buzzing with the ceaseless hum of life, Grace, a young professional, found herself caught in the whirlwind of deadlines, responsibilities, and stress. Her days were characterized by a seemingly endless to-do list, and sleepless nights were the norm. One day, amidst the chaos, she stumbled upon a meditation app on her smartphone. Intrigued, Grace decided to give it a shot, dedicating 10 minutes of her morning to this new practice. At first, it felt strange, almost unnatural, to sit in silence, her mind a whirlpool of thoughts. But as days turned into weeks, the noise began to quieten. Grace started noticing subtle shifts in her life. The stress that once consumed her began to recede, replaced by a calmness she hadn't experienced in years. She was more present, more aware, more in tune with herself. It was as if she had unlocked a hidden reservoir of peace within her. Next, we have the story of Mike, a retired military officer. After years of service, he found himself battling his own mind, haunted by memories and experiences from his past. He came across meditation during a therapy session. Initially skeptical, he decided to give it a try. Mike's journey with meditation was not easy. There were days when he wanted to quit, days when the silence was too loud, but he persisted. Over time, he noticed a shift. The nightmares that once plagued his sleep became less frequent. He found a safe space within himself, a sanctuary where he could retreat when his past threatened to overwhelm him. Through meditation, Mike found a way to heal, a path toward peace. Our final story today is about Maya, a busy mother of 3. With her days packed with chores, school runs, and work commitments, she barely had time for herself. One day, a friend suggested she try meditation. Intrigued, she began incorporating a few minutes of meditation into her daily routine. Initially, it felt like another task on her never-ending list. But as she continued, she began to look forward to those few minutes of peace. The world seemed to pause, and in that quiet, she found a moment of respite. She was more patient with her children, kinder to herself, and even found joy in her daily tasks. Meditation became her daily dose of serenity amidst the chaos. In conclusion, Grace found calmness in chaos, Mike found healing from his past, and Maya found joy in the mundane. These stories showcase the transformative power of meditation, revealing that it's not just about sitting in silence, but about discovering a reservoir of peace within us. It's about being present, being aware, and being in tune with ourselves. It's about finding a sanctuary within, a safe space where we can retreat when the world becomes too much. It's about finding joy, peace, and serenity amidst our daily lives. So, whether you're a busy professional, a veteran, a parent, or just someone trying to navigate this chaotic world, remember these stories. They serve as a testament to the power of meditation, a beacon of hope for those willing to embark on this journey. Embrace the silence, welcome the peace, and let meditation guide you towards a more mindful, more serene life. Hello everyone, it's Allison again. I'm glad you stuck around till the end of our video. To get access to the course I promised, simply click on the link in the description box below this video. While your focus is down there, please help spread the word on Giovanni's coaching by subscribing and liking this video. Best of luck with your free course and thank you for your time.